Hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of weekly gold update. Yes guys, gold have closed this monthly candle, so today we are going to have a monthly overview too. We will analyze gold chart from higher time frame to smaller time frame to find the possible swing and scalp entries for this month. So you guys watch it from the beginning to end. Don't skip any part of this video for better understanding, because in this video I am going to show you the most important support and resistance level for this month. Before we start, if you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, then hit on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you guys get an update for my all videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart guys. Here we have a monthly chart in front of us in our screen, and we can see this after breaking this monthly resistance at here on 2075. Gold is continuing in uptrend and the retest is still pending at this level. Now talking about this month, in this month gold is forming this inside candle. We can see that this is the doji candle over here. This is indecisive candle guys, because after sweeping this high, gold have closed this candle in inverse hammer, and the second candle is just inside it. Let me just show you. We need breakout of this for the more high and breakout of this for more low. Inside this will be a ranging market, and we need to trade in this accordingly. Now let's get on the 1 day time frame, but let me just show you what will happen if this breaks. If this breaks, then we can easily target here like this. Okay, the first target will be here 2226, then second will be here 2149, which is this high, and the third will be this. Then you can again expect upside 2075. This is my final target for monthly chart if this rally continues in downtrend. Okay guys, so let's get on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we can see this after reaching this demand area, gold is showing some pullback and the buying pressure is really high right now. Firstly this buy candle, then again rejection was there, and now again buying pressure is seen over here. But after this candle we need to break this high for more upside. Until then we can still drop, and this is still bearish guys, because this buying pressure does not have any strength to break this high right now. Let's get on daily time frame. Let's just mark this resistance here. This is weekly resistance, we have already talked about it, and gold need to close weekly candle above it for the more upside. Now let's get on daily time frame. This is the daily time frame guys. You can see this gold is just rejecting from this weekly resistance, and we can expect more downside if this low breaks. But this we have a engulfing candle over here which is bullish sign, and we need to wait for break of structure in smaller time frame for downside confirmation. So what we have here, we have a bigger demand zone from which gold is kept bouncing right now. You can see this is the demand zone from which gold is bouncing. Okay guys, so more smaller time frame, In 4 hour we can see this. Let me just adjust this demand zone a bit. Okay, this is the perfect demand zone from which gold is kept bouncing right now. First bounce was here from demand zone, then second bounce is happening from this demand zone. See, this is the current demand zone which is supporting market for more upside right now. And we can say this is our weekly resistance. Weekly resistance is still there, which is resisting gold to go more upside right now. What we can do over here, we can wait for the clear breakout of this weekly resistance and we can long it. If structure breaks in smaller time frame, we can again expect this demand zone tap here. How? Let me just show you that we have a nice channel running here. You can see this. This was a nice rising channel was running here, and gold have just retested it. You guys can easily mark this out right here. So what we have here, we have a channel retest, then weekly resistance, and another thing we have right here is the highest volume area, which is POC. In daily time frame we can say this gold is rejecting from this POC, which means it can reject and go downside if it does not flip this area. This is the most important area right now. Gold have to flip it for more upside, else it will give you a new low near about 2300 or more downside around 2285 right here. Okay, so this is the area, weekly resistance, POC and retest. This is a bearish area right now which can push gold more downside. Okay guys, so let's get on the 4 hour again. In 4 hour we can say this gold need to break this upper zone which is acting as resistance right now for more upside, and if gold breaks this low, you can see this, the support area like this, then we can expect backdrop again. Let me just show you what is this weekly resistance place. Let me just we don't need to hide it, we will just extend it. Okay, so what we have here, rejection, again upside push, second push, third push, rejection, again rejection, rejection. This is also upside push. You guys can see this. Now this area is too much violated right now, so the area is widened right here, and widened area is this support and resistance zone. See, so we need to watch this support area for the break and retest for downside. If this area holds and gold keeps continuing its consolidation right here, and breaks above this high, we can expect a tap at 2361 to 2357 area. This zone, let me just mark it as a zone, right? Okay, so this is the zone you can expect if gold breaks above this high. Okay, so how you plan in this week? This week also important for the news, because we have NFP and Powell's speech. So this will be a very, you can see the volatile week for the gold. The NFP and the Powell's speech will, I guess, dump gold very hard. My first view is bearish right now because we are below POC and this weekly resistance. So my main view will be bearish for the gold, and if it breaks above this high and flips back into this channel, I will long it to this area and again for this high too. But we can see this, we need to flip for new ATH. If this area flips, then you can expect new ATH. Until then, my main view will be bearish below this weekly resistance and POC. I will wait for the break of this support zone for more downside. And if you watch in 2 hour, you can see this, we are forming a evening star right here. After the liquidity grab, let me just show you. After liquidity grab of this high, gold have not closed this candle above this high and it's just retested it. You can see this evening star formation, rejection, now retest at evening star and again rejection. So breaks below this low and this green zone, you can expect a volatile drop here. Your first target should be this high because this is demand zone, and your second target will be this low, and if this low breaks, then your final target would be here, 2277. So that's it for today, guys. I have covered all the things you need to know to have a position in gold in upcoming week, and I have shared my monthly view too. If you guys like this video, then give it a like and share to your friends to help them in their trading. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trading, keep printing.